Let's now head to the corridors of justice, where chaos broke out at the Olkalou Law Courts on Thursday after the family of a 24-year-old murder victim, Angela Muthoni, rejected a 5-year sentence issued to the primary suspect, terming the ruling rushed, unjust and deeply disappointing. Emotions ran high as relatives claimed no witnesses had ever testified in the case, which is barely 3 months old.
Tension-filled Olkalou Law Courts after Justice Kiaria Waweru sentenced the primary suspect in Angela Muthoni's July murder to 5 years in prison, sparking immediate protests from her family. They say the case had only 2 mentions and no witnesses were heard, with their lawyers led by Kamau Ngugi condemning the ruling and planning an urgent appeal.
Being a murder case, the family of the victims were informed that there was a plea bargaining that was entered into without their involvement. A probation report was given. The judge went ahead to give a sentence which we feel is very unlawful and irregular.
This is justice denied. Muthoni was just 24 years old. I have evidence. I have records, witnesses. They were never called. Hakuna mtu ameitwa.
Angela's mother, Beatrice Njoki, said 5 years is not justice for her daughter.
We have not seen justice, and we are appealing for the government of Kenya what to fanyie justice. It is very hurting. Hata we are not able to talk. We have been crying, and I don't know how we are going to do it.
The Judiciary Public Forum, chaired by the same judge, opted for mediation. In Nairobi, detectives in Nairobi will continue holding 6 suspected armed robbers for 21 days after Madaraka Law Courts magistrate granted the prosecution request for extended detention. The suspects, 4 Kenyans, a Tanzanian, an Indian national, were arrested on Sunday, November 16th, following an alleged break-in in a home in Nairobi South B Estate. The case will be mentioned on 10 December 2025. Elsewhere, a Milimani court has released Sami Chelimo Chelanga on a 500,000 bail in an impersonation case. Chelanga allegedly forged a letter to Treasury PS Dr. Chris Kipto from the Kenya Union of Post-Primary Education Teachers (KUPPET), dated 31st January 2024, nominating him to the public superannuation scheme.
And the issue at hand arose because of a political divide that was there at that time. And the same issue has been addressed, and we have been working amicably since that time.
Chelanga denied the charges as the prosecution lined up KUPPET officials as witnesses. The case will proceed for pre-trial on 20th November 2025.
Bond of Kenya shillings 500,000 with a surety of similar amount, or a cash bail of 200,000 with 1 contact person. We'll mention on 28th of November for pre-trial. Documents will be supplied to you on 28th of November.
Letwa Debra for Prime Edition.